Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 25 of this handbag unboxing frenzy that I've been doing in February, where every single day this month I have been revealing / unboxing a bag that I've recently added to my collection in the last couple of years that I haven't yet shared with you guys. And I can't believe that we are towards the final couple of days of this month. It has been so long, but I am so excited because I have got some real gems to share with you. If you are new here and you just stumbled upon this channel, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. If an unboxing every day is something that interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll also link the playlist where I've done 24 other handbag unboxings so far. If you haven't checked it out, I'll put it in the info bar below. Today is so exciting because this is one of my holy grail bags, I'm not gonna lie, and it is also our last Chanel unboxing for this month. So for those who have been sick of all these Chanel unboxings, this is the last one, you guys. So I'm kind of also very excited because I've obviously saved the best for last. For me, this is really something that I pinch myself every time I see it. It gives me butterflies. It honestly just makes me so happy. So if you are also excited to see what I've got, stay tuned. But before I continue on, I do just want to say that there's a lot of background noise because there is some construction going on, and I do apologize for that. Just very quickly as well, before I start, I just wanted to share the lippy that I'm wearing because a lot of you guys do ask me what I'm wearing on my lips, what I'm wearing on my face. The lipstick that I'm wearing is the NYX Shine Loud, and it's called On a Mission. It's essentially this sort of like dual-ended lipstick where you've got a long wearing lip color and then you've got a gloss on top. I love a red glossy lip. I think it's beautiful. I love a matte lip, but I've also been loving like a glossy red lip lately, so this is a good one. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. So opening it up, here we go. You guys, it is a vintage dust bag. You guys know what comes in these dust bags. If you have an idea of what it is, do comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Are you ready? Please welcome my latest handbag unboxing and the final Chanel handbag that I will be revealing in this February unboxing frenzy series, and that is the it is the Chanel small classic flap in the white lambskin leather with gold hardware in absolutely pristine, amazing vintage condition. So this is such a holy grail find for me. You can see this, honestly, I don't know if it's showing up, but this is in perfect condition. I almost had to pinch myself. I really couldn't believe it when I found it. To be honest, I actually thought this was way too good to be true because this is a vintage bag. It is a 0 series, which means it's actually like between 86 and 88. So this bag is older than me, and I honestly could not believe it. We had to like double authenticate it, and I actually sent it for an entropy authentication. That is where they actually take the bag physically and scan all the parts, and it came back authentic. And I honestly feel like this is one of those bags that was just left in someone's closet. No one touched it, no one did anything to it, and it just aged beautifully and immaculately. And yeah, I honestly feel like it's never ever been worn because look at that condition. It is perfect, you guys. Absolutely perfect. One of my favorite parts about vintage bags is the fact that they have flat quilting, which I actually think looks so much better. You can see here on the second flap, it does have a little bit of an indent from like the zipper. Opening it up, it's pretty plain, doesn't really have anything there. Inside is also really plain, no marks, no stains, nothing whatsoever. And I've got the authenticity card here. It is a 0 series bag, as you can see. Don't know what to say. Obviously this is quite a simple bag because it is just a Chanel classic flap, so there's really not much that you guys probably don't already know about the small. The small is my favorite size Chanel classic flap. It is one that like I love, and I'm really avoiding adding any more 25 centimeter flaps or medium large flaps because it's just far too big for me. The small is just the perfect size. It is my perfect bag. It is one of my absolute favorite bags of all time, and this to me is a holy grail. This to me will never ever leave my collection. I'm so in love with it. It's like one of those really just rare finds, because a lot of bags you never find them in such amazing condition. And to be perfectly honest, the fact that this is so old yet so immaculate makes me more excited. Brand new bags, you expect them to be perfect, like, but vintage bags to be in the condition that they are is amazing. In all original painting, all original hardware, nothing was removed, replaced. It just was not used at all, and then it sort of just aged and is now passed on to me. I think there is nothing more beautiful than that. As like a lover of like old vintage things, I love it so much. I can't keep talking about it anymore because I'm like sweating because I'm getting so flushed, being so excited about it. So this is the bag. Let me just show you what it looks like on. I'm just wearing this like Chanel-esque cardigan that I got from Keiko here in Melbourne. This is how I would wear it. So preppy, giving Blair Waldorf style. With the Chanel small, I can actually crossbody it, so just like this, and this looks great. Like I mentioned, the small is like the perfect size for me. I will say that to just be careful. It's getting some indents, I think, just from how I've stored it, like from the chain. So I just have to be careful about that. And definitely, this is a bag that I'm going to be babying moving forward because, like, hello, it is an all-white bag in pristine condition. So I do want to wear it, but I will be making sure I'm wearing quite a light colored outfit. Cannot wait now that I've revealed it to you guys to take a tremendous amount of photos of this because she is a showstopper. Just compare it though to all the other white Chanel bags that I own. I am obsessed with Chanel like white flaps. There's just something about it. I love white bags in general, but white Chanel with gold hardware just screams gorgeous to me. Like I'm honestly in love. So this is my vintage Chanel square mini. I love this bag. It is still original leather, but I do feel like the corners here have been retouched because I can see some paint. So that's why this is so special, because white bags are almost impossible to find without it being retouched, because they are unfortunately quite delicate, but also they're beautiful. But yeah, anyways, as I was saying, this is the Chanel Square Mini. I don't know if it's showing up in terms of the color, but this is definitely a bit more of a off-white, and I don't know if that's with age or that's just the actual color. They are quite similar, but this is definitely fresher. And then just comparing to the last Chanel bag that I've got, this is the shelter bag that I've also revealed recently. This is like a stark, like snow white color. This is a very like wallpaper white color. This is more eggshell. This is more like an off-white, let's be honest. But yeah, they're like various shades of white Chanel. As I said, obsessed. Something wrong with me. I just love white, even though it's like an impossible color to maintain. I just think it looks so fresh and crisp, and that's why I love azure so much as well, because it's just so fresh, and I just love the lightness of it. Really stands out. So if you haven't added a white bag to your collection first, I really urge you to give it a go. I think if you add like maybe just a very affordable white bag to begin with, that might be a great way of sort of incorporating it or getting comfortable with it in your collection. I really think it's a color that is just as versatile as black. You can wear it for like winter whites, spring, summer. You could really wear it all year round. And yeah, I think if you add something like the Jacquemus Mini Chiquito, or like something that's not super expensive, then you can sort of get used to wearing it and styling it. You will see how versatile and how amazing white is. It really is such a beautiful color. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is my Chanel handbag unboxing slash reveal. That is our last Chanel for this unboxing frenzy. I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you to everyone who has been tuning in so far. I love reading your comments. I love it when you tell me that you literally log in to watch my videos and I'm part of your routine when you're relaxing and things like that. That is so amazing, and it really does motivate me to keep making these videos. You guys know that it's been pretty challenging, pretty tough to do this every single day, but I honestly am sad actually that February is only 28 days. I do still actually have other that I could continue to reveal, but I might have to save that for some other videos. Yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure. I don't want to ramble on too much because, you know, we do still have a couple more days to go, but I really just wanted to take the time to say thank you to everyone who's been so supportive. It really does mean a lot, and I can't believe that we're towards our final couple of days. Yay! Anyways, you guys, that is it from me. That's my little Chanel unboxing slash reveal. One of my favorites, hands down, probably of all of the Chanel bags that I've revealed to you guys. This is probably up there for me. Do let me know which one has been your favorite Chanel or favorite unboxing so far this month. I would love to know it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well if you'd like to see how I style all of these bags. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.